Welcome to 112 Maidstone Circle. This neat 3-bedroom, 2 full bath brick home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, nice fenced backyard, as well as some updates inside. It's located in the established Friarsgate neighborhood in Irmo, convenient to Harbison dining and shopping, I-26, as well as Lake Murray. So out front, you can see the home sits on a really nice sized lot. You have a large front yard and single with driveway leading up to a 1-car garage. The garage does have some additional, sort of an oversized garage with some extra storage. You can kind of see the brick area off to the right. That's sort of an extra storage area in there. The home sits on a cul-de-sac as well. It's a pretty nice location. And then you have walkway just from the driveway here up to the covered front porch, as you can see. And then we step inside. So you have a foyer here off the entry. And you have some laminate hardwood flooring in here that continues throughout into the dining room, also in some other areas as well, which we'll see in a second. But you have some dental crown molding in the foyer as well as in the formal dining room. You have some nice sort of wall height windows and also chair rail molding in the formal dining as well. And then off of this area, sort of have your laundry and pantry here. So full size laundry room. We have the door open for some light. We missed down a couple light bulbs in here. But you have a full size laundry and some storage space above in here, washer dryer connections. And then you have a nice size garage, as we mentioned. So you can see that's sort of a small or mid-sized SUV. And there's plenty of space behind here for more parking. There's some workspace built in, as well as you can see sort of that alcove over there with some extra storage. And then while we're here, might as well take a look at the backyard, which we have access to from here, as well as off of the kitchen, I believe, area as well. So fenced backyard, chain link fencing. They have some nice mature trees out back, so pretty neat. And then back inside, as you can see in the kitchen, you have an eat-in dining area with a bay window. And that laminate hardwood continues. And then you have sort of a U-shaped kitchen, white cabinets, and a nice tile backsplash as well. And then you have a above range microwave, smooth top, electric range, and on this side a stainless steel refrigerator and dishwasher. But you can see that tile backsplash there. And then on this side, the family room, and has some wood beams up top. And then also it sort of steps down from the level of the entry and also from the kitchen. But you have a wood burning fireplace in here with a nice brick hearth and surround. And then again back into the foyer where the entry is. And then our bedroom area is off to the right. You have an attic pull down on this in the middle there. 1 bedroom off to the right, ceiling fan, and a pretty decent sized closet. Full bathroom across the hall with ceramic tile flooring. Nice clean white vanity and some subway tile in the shower and tub. At the end of the hall, you have a not a medicine cabinet, but a linen closet. And then a second bedroom on the right. Closets here behind the door as you come in. A nice sized room, and you can see nice neutral paint colors throughout as well. And then a ceiling fan, slightly nicer one in the master. And the master has 2 closets basically side by side, but they are separated in the middle. And then you have a full bathroom in here with a single vanity, tile countertop, and the subway tile backsplash, and also some tile flooring in here as well. So you just have a large shower in this bathroom. So that completes our tour of this home, 112 Maid Stone Circle in Irmo. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.